dietitian here at the Stram Center. Today we'll be making frozen bananas, a really great treat for summer, very simple. You can do your own take on it, so we'll show you how to do that today. So first we're gonna take our bananas, you're going to peel them, and we'll put them on our Kabab skewers. For this recipe, it doesn't really matter how ripe they are. If you want a really sweet treat, you can get them a little bit more ripe. So the greener the banana, the more resistant starch. Resistant starch is really good for our gut bugs. The probiotics in the gut really like resistant starch. It's actually a prebiotic. And next we're going to take our dark chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate chips you prefer. We like dark chocolate because of the health benefits of it, lots of antioxidants, and really flavorful. And the darker the chocolate, the lower the sugar content, so it's a little healthier. So we're going to take our chocolate chips, and you can melt them any way you like, whether in a saucepan. We're gonna microwave ours and stir it in between so it doesn't burn. We'll just dip each one and try to get some of it really coated. So now we have our bananas in the freezer, and we'll have them in there for at least an hour or until they're firm and frozen.